जेरी खाना है बेटा, खा ले। बाबा खाना है, फूड। जेरी का So this is how our everyday routine looked like. We used to chase our dog all over the house just to make him eat. Hi, I'm Manpreet. And this is Jerry. And together we are going to review my dog's favorite food. So some of you have messaged me on Instagram asking me about what we feed our dog. So I thought what's better platform than sharing it on YouTube, right? So this video will be a little different than the usual, but I hope you guys really like it. So let me give you a little background story first. We tried multiple kibble brands. We tried Royal Canin. We even tried Origin. This was like the best one on the market, and we got this because his doctor recommended when we told her that he is a picky eater. Well, this one hooked him up for a little while, but eventually his liking didn't last very long. The struggle was real, guys. It was an everyday routine. There was one thing that we discovered while observing his eating habits, that he'll eat anything which is not kibble. And this is a piece of carrot. Here is another example. Jerry, बेटा, ये मेरा खाना है. Oh my god, Jerry, stop being cute. Stop. So we started looking into various other options. Anything that is not kibble, and skimmed our options to two. Unkibble, which is basically a dry, dehydrated version of fresh ingredients. Longer shelf life? Yes. And then there was Nom Nom, fresh ingredients, shelf life, well, not that great. We based our research on food quality, that is a must, customer support, second point, and then there was delivery. Well, honestly, price was not our number one concern. Reason being, our dog was not eating anything and we were like really desperate to feed him. Plus, he was consistently gaining weight because of all the treats that we were adding to his food just to make him eat. Well, food quality was the number one concern because switching to a whole different type of food diet is a big change, and nobody wants their dog to fall ill, right? So talking about Nom Nom, they'd use fresh ingredients and their food is developed by certified vet nutritionists. So food quality, check. While talking about Unkibble, their food quality is also really good. Their food is prepared in USDA FDA approved kitchen in New York. So quality of the food for Unkibble, also check. Well, the second concern that we had was the customer support. Well, talking about Unkibble, this brand has the potential of giving a tough competition to all the kibble brands, plus the fresh food that is available for the dogs in the market. But when we tried reaching them out, there was no response. We dug deep and this is what we found. Finding customer support was really an issue with many people. And when we tried to reach Nom Nom, their response was quick. It was so easy to call them and discuss all our doubts. Well, another deciding factor was on-time delivery. So Nom Nom food is prepared in Tennessee. They choose overnight delivery options, and you definitely want that if you're going for fresh food instead of kibble, or the food will go bad. While with Unkibble, we did a lot of reviews, and I would say they weren't really good. People were complaining about delayed deliveries and not getting any response from the customer support. And that's when we decided to go with Nom Nom, because we didn't want to get stuck in a situation where we are out of food and we have to feed our dog something else. That sudden transition is not good for your dog. So that's how Unkibble went out of the equation. So this is how Nom Nom works. When you first get started with Nom Nom, you'll create a profile for your pet, which gives you a chance to share the current weight, target weight, and preferred protein. Once you fill this form out, you'll get a price code since portion sizes for every animal depends on its weight. I would also suggest you to read the ingredients list before deciding in case your pet has any dietary requirements or allergies. Once you select your pet's favorite flavor, you will start to receive monthly or bi-weekly shipments, whatever shipment method you choose. Jerry, can you sit? Can you go down? Let's see which one he picks first. There's turkey and there's chicken. So let's see which one he picks first. You can You done? Finished? So moving on to the pros and cons list. Let's start with the pros. So Nom Nom has got a great variety of meals, including grain-free and gluten-free options. Next is free shipping. Then the food is prepared in-house every week, so it's fresh. Then the auto shipping option is something that you can pause and cancel at any point of time. Next, I would say they have great customer service. They also mention on their website that we can have access to pet nutritionist via live chat, email or phone. Well, we never really tried that, but I think that's a good thing to have, right? So to top the pros list, the packaging is recyclable, so that's a really good thing to have. Next, moving on to the cons list. Well, if customer wants to adjust the portion size or customize the recipe for their pets, in that case they'll have to call the customer care. It cannot be adjusted on websites, so that's a con. Then another con I would mention is you cannot select the day of the shipping. So these are the two cons that I've found until now. Rest, I think it's a pretty good service. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and also leave your feedback in my comment section. We'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.